Yes, my people, welcome back. Ikonyo Reacts, TT,
PH.
Yes, sir. And we're back again for another little reaction. Go to 10K, like, comment, subscribe.
Run it
follow us
up,
on
run it
Instagram.
up.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think it's our first reaction to the Chicken Shop date with Ed Sheeran. You know what I'm saying? Big up Amelia.
That's
you know,
go, Ed Sheeran.
every time this shit is funny when I watch it. And also Ed Sheeran, big up him as well. You know, check out other reactions to him. Link will be in the description.
Right there.
But yeah, the main reason why I'm watching this is to see if he's got a game. You know what I'm saying? This is the first date. I see my nigga on.
Come on, you know Ed Sheeran
I
has
wanna-
game.
I wanna
He don't
see if he's
need
got
game. He don't
You know what I'm
need
saying?
game,
So,
man.
You know he has
All he has to
game.
do is just separate the girl on the phone.
What's that song he made?
Get me?
Shape of You.
I'm in love with the shape
that's
of
true,
you.
that's true, that's
And
true.
of course he has game.
That's in the studio though. I'm trying to
He's got
see
the
it
money
live.
as
You know what I'm
well.
saying? So,
Listen, his money's long.
His money's loud. The money speaks for him. You feel me?
but yeah, man, let's just see how this day went. Straight in.
Let's get it.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, Amelia is so awkward, fam. Is it all act or is she actually like this in real life?
She does it purpose.
Do you know what though? I feel like when you do something repetitively, eventually,
Comes your personality.
yeah, I feel like she could end up doing that in real life without even realizing.
She's funny though. They got her.
Even when people lie, they start believing their own lies like
That's
that.
what I'm saying.
Damn, don't be one of those, man.
Let's get in the video. Let's get straight in.
Straight into the video.
There's two, dos, uno. Let's go, let's
This
go.
ain't a French reaction, bro.
That's Spanish.
What?
Hello.
Hello.
Amazing.
Can't lie, that's one thing I like about him. That, like, even though how successful he's hella humble.
Still ordinary.
You can
He's
tell
a
he's
regular guy.
I respect that. You know what I'm
Something
saying?
like that.
Let's see if he's got game though.
I love how you can just go from like not awkward to awkward like that.
Oh, I'm not awkward.
We met before
No, we didn't.
the camera switched
We
on.
didn't. No, we
She's
didn't.
actually a very personable, lovely
You
person.
can't. So, and I'm not awkward. So,
No.
He's playing it different.
Yeah, that chicken was a little dusty as hell. That shit was fake.
No. I like the way it
Well, the
Crunch.
Nah, I'm talking about the way he looks. That shit look.
It looks
Fuck
unhealthy.
yeah.
Sam's. Nah,
Don't go there, don't go there.
You
Like
man,
Max.
Sam's got the best
No,
chips
really.
ever. Sam's got the best chips.
Head of Sam's West. Northwest,
Yeah,
West
best,
area.
best.
I swear Dixie got the best.
I remember
things.
back in the day, you used to go to the chicken shop, fam. It used to be a 2 for 2, fam. Bro,
in
that price.
secondary school, Dixie shit used to hit.
Imagine
Crazy.
£2
I don't know
for.
how to do that, man.
It was £2 for 2 burgers and chips. Back in
No,
the
but
day.
like, bro, of course, back in the day, shit was
Two burgers
cheap.
and chips, bro. 2 for 2.
The strip burgers,
That's
isn't
what-
it? The strip burgers.
Oh,
the steak
yeah,
burgers,
yeah,
not
the
the
chips.
See what inflation is
So
doing,
length, fam.
You know.
I thought you loved maths.
I like symbols.
So you got plus, minus.
Or his albums.
I haven't brought out that one. No,
Oh, right.
Divide.
Plus, minus, divide. You guys, what's your
I
favorite
don't think he
album?
has. I think he has
Plus and minus,
and
innit?
divide.
Okay. Which albums was your
His
favorite?
latest tour was
What's on the
divide.
comments?
I got
Sam's chips
given
and
a degree at Suffolk University for music.
For music.
Yeah.
Let's learn the music.
He's actually a doctorate.
So you're a doctor of music.
I'm a doctor, yeah.
Man, like,
I'm a doctor.
I,
Love doctor.
if I tell you what my
Doctor Ed
Let's go,
Sheeran,
let's
you know.
go PhD in that.
ailment is, you can fix it.
Yeah, what is it? Married.
Yeah. That's not an
He is
ailment.
married, you know. Big up.
Is he?
He's
Yeah.
very
Um,
still.
Yeah.
Bro.
He don't know the shit about him, innit? He's like hella
Yeah, he's
quiet.
low key, fam.
Low key.
So I'm saying he just lets his music speak.
He has like,
It's kinda like-
you don't have a phone.
Oh yeah, I heard.
Like
He
email,
doesn't
everything's
have
like
social
email.
media or anything.
No social media, nothing.
Nah.
He has social media, but he don't run it.
But that's probably why it's so normal.
He's so down to earth, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
Nah, I
Sorry
swear.
to say, you know, but you get what I mean? That's probably why it's so
I
normal.
like that. So like, he gets to live life. To the
You
fullest,
some new bed sheets
Thank you.
Crazy.
because I
'Cause they
know
smell
that you were
like- yeah,
complaining
yeah.
about them smelling like another woman.
These are kind of have a like neutral smell.
No, I sprayed my perfume on.
So can I just?
What lyrics is that song? What song is that from?
Also,
Where he talks about she smelling a woman. If you know that song comes from.
probably should.
Can I?
Your bed sheets smell like me.
Thanks.
Goddamn, that was all good. Box deals in that. You know about that, yeah?
Has
I don't
anyone
know
had an
about the
issue
chips.
with
I don't
the
go
song
chicken
that
shop no
you've
more.
written
I
about
have
them?
chips.
Go Sam,
shaking.
That's your
Shaking
time.
me still. I'm a bitch.
Bro, she's on smoke. What did I do to you?
My friend asked me to set
Why
you up
she
with
just
him,
done
by
the
the way.
nail like that?
Is it salty?
No.
Was
Should
she
it be?
wearing a
Is
Richie?
it a large one?
Who? I think it's
Ed Sheeran.
protect. That's at least $1 million.
My friend asked me to set you up with him, by the way.
Is it salty?
No. Should it be?
A large one.
Is it Stormzy? Well, the girls love Stormzy, man.
It's salty.
Have you been on a date with him?
No, I haven't. I was just wondering if I know
There
he's
you
family.
go. You know
I
who's
feel like
next.
by this
Right.
point,
You know who's next.
if you were going to have a
Yeah,
date
yeah,
with him, you would have
first.
done. So he's obviously like, there's obviously an issue there.
God damn.
Okay,
Psalms.
I heard you don't have a phone.
I don't know what phone.
So how do you sext?
Wow. In person?
She's so good for that.
That was a good-
No was expected.
That's
that.
the thing.
That was a good
Just
answer.
square.
That was a good answer still.
In person.
You
you know
feel
what
me?
I mean?
Cool.
On site.
No waffle, man. Straight to
Come on now.
straight to action.
No
What if you
cap.
want to take a selfie? What do you do?
That's actually a big problem. It's a big problem not taking any photos at all. I don't really take any photos. So my wife is pretty. Sorry, I keep talking about my wife on our first date.
It's just, yeah, I mean, I'm just blanking it out.
My wife.
Yeah, just my wife. Well, I've got a husband, so
Have you? What's his name?
Bitch ain't got a chance, man. When you always talking about. You know what I'm
name's
saying?
Bob.
Bob.
Bobby Bob.
And he's really,
Bob the Builder.
he's really, no,
Can you fix it?
he fix everything.
Did he fix your cold heart?
No, actually, it's still very cold. It's freezing. Whew, it's got the shivers.
It's my song.
Hey, Sharon Shivers,
I'll
you know,
slip
big,
out of
yeah,
it, man.
big up to that tune, fam.
I'll
You
slip.
guys want us to rap to it?
You said.
It's got the
Yeah,
shivers.
I was asleep at her. It's me.
T for 5.
What would your first dance be?
To what for like at my wedding?
Yeah. Or it would just be a lot of this.
It would probably be like that thing.
Oh yeah, bro, reminisce yesterday and like,
Can see Amelia just dancing like this at her wedding, fam.
or doing the robot. She probably the one just doing the robot throughout, man.
Some grey mountain.
God damn.
There's kind of no fluidity there, though, isn't it? It's just arm.
No, it's
Big
not. It's
words.
very fluid movement.
Arm.
Jesus.
It's a body pop. Why don't you dance like on stage?
There was a need to.
I feel like you know your limits, and yeah, I'm just not. I haven't got that much natural rhythm.
I
Need to know your limits.
can't relate.
I like Ed Sheeran, man.
Like, it's
Simple, innit?
no guy.
If you were in need of a dancer, a backing dancer,
I'd bring you out at Wembley, actually,
I
just
would-
to do this to Shivers.
I'll take that.
That's a flex. I bring that to Wembley. That's
See that,
that's, not,
Wembley.
that's a stadium tour, not even an arena.
Mad.
Jack Harlow behind the scenes, though. I bet. Little text.
He's not texting, so. But thanks for bringing it up.
Has he DM'd you?
You know what they said? What about Joe Carlo?
Yeah. They're trying to date him. Yeah.
I DM'd him after our date saying I love you,
That's pretty little.
but he didn't reply.
Did it actually say I love you?
Charges to
Yeah, I
the
said I love you. Well, do you think that's too much?
No, I think that's enough.
But anyway, so I don't know if we're really a match. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud.
Damn, he's about to
With that
cry.
one. So
Wow.
Hey, boss man's there just sipping.
She just knows she ain't got no.
Okay, so
chance.
Drake and Jack Harlow message you on the same night and say, Amelia, hit
She's
up
taking
this
Drake.
Of course.
chicken shop with me.
Of course, she's taking a drink. Like, come on.
that's ridiculous.
It's not though.
I can't.
It's actually not because both have your
I
contact
know,
details.
honestly,
So
it is
could
actually quite likely that.
Yeah, she knows Drake. That's
Bro,
great.
Drake's been sitting on doing some shop there, bro.
When was this? Yo, this needs to happen. If you guys want us to react to
Couple
comment down
months
below.
That would happen.
Yeah. So who do you choose?
I'll probably just go for H.
Shut up, man.
She's all good, fam. That was even
So
the
I was
option.
wondering if you had some advice for
The whole
me or
point.
any kind of words of wisdom on how I can find love.
I think honestly, stick with what you're doing because I think the disinterested look that you're going for, where you're just like you're not quite in
She's
the conversation,
nonchalant.
keeps boys on their toes.
I'm engaged in this conversation.
No, we are very engaged in this conversation.
Yeah,
but
so-
you're engaged with a lack of engagement.
I can't lie, I never knew Ed Sheeran was like this. She was like
How's Rubicon?
Banging.
What do you think he was like?
shy, I think. I've never really watched any interview of him
Feel
like
was
that.
awkward and some shit.
Not awkward, just shy and like quiet. Maybe that's how he used to be, but obviously once you're in the limelight, you kind of
Yeah,
Used to, innit?
Yeah.
I can tell he's an
He's performing in front of like
introvert.
80,000 people.
Definitely, man. He ain't got it for. He's not on socials. Therefore,
I was gonna get you ginger beer, but probably too much.
It's ginger already, man.
That's his toilet.
Hey, you gotta match the tile and shit.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my
no
arms.
way.
Put on
Man said no auto-tune, you know.
He is so hard.
hard.
She's trying to make it
What the
look good. She's really trying to sell
the
it.
grass,
What's that tune now?
listening to our favorite songs.
Sorry.
I have faith in what
I think you should don't give up the day job. Honestly.
People like that song.
No, but I love that song. I just don't think you're playing it very well.
But I had it in box. That's all
Very
right.
nice.
How do you get a second date?
Oh, okay. You're asking for a second date.
No.
So you're asking for a second date?
Well,
Just get in trouble with wifey.
No.
Can't do that.
He thought about his wife there.
chicken shop dates
Can't cheat, man.
with Amelia Dims and Ed. Eating nuggets with a sheet from my bed. And I'm in
Freestyle.
love with Amelia Dims
Freestyle.
and all the little things. One Direction song. And playing the ukulele. I really feel like you're hitting the wrong notes.
What are you talking about?
She is,
Just
bro.
go.
I'm not. I'm doing this better than you.
Amelia Pine up, man. Fix up.
While you're here.
So I like your hair.
I can't lie,
How's your primary school
Amelia is looking good today.
It's pretty good.
I just realised they're both ginger.
Yours?
Not great.
Are they?
No cap.
Yeah,
Is she actually ginger?
they're both ginger.
Ginger.
No, but
ginger.
she dyed her hair though.
I mean, for the. Oh yeah, right, still, she's not ginger.
Yeah, she was looking sweet today. You know what I'm saying? I should have been on a date instead.
Amelia.
We'll get there. We'll get there. innit?
Huh?
The ginger that suits
so,
you, I
so,
can't lie.
so.
Don't worry about it. It's funny. That's funny, man, bro. All in the whole world. Yeah, man. This was a good date. This was a It was
Is
good.
that your kind of day?
Why not Dixie's,
Would
innit?
you back out the
Instead
guitar?
of Sam's.
Take her
Oh,
green
man, it's
peppers.
22s and that.
Green peppers. And I get on
You know, innit? If you know, you know.
Every girl will tell you, let's go cinema. My man would be like, nah. I know a better
I know
place.
bus better instead.
I know a better spot.
Hey, listen though. No, the date was calm, innit? Obviously steady, innit?
I like the this though. Show this personality. Like,
Yeah.
I never really knew him. Obviously, we know who he is, but we
Yeah.
didn't know how he is. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Do you guys have a favorite chicken shop date, man? Or the funniest one for you?
Off of memory,
I've watched so many years, so
I think
What
it chunks
do you
and
tell
Philly.
you
That shit
so?
was funny, bro.
I haven't
The
watched
Crepes
that
and
one.
Corner one.
I watched that one. Which one was funny? I can't remember.
You guys let us know which the best.
No,
chicken
but the
shop
thingy one is
date.
funny. The M Huncho one.
Oh yeah, I watched one.
That was funny.
That went viral now, so
Yeah.
Same one with Digger.
Mm.
But yeah, it was a cool day. You guys, what's your favorite chicken shop date? Let us know in the comments. What's your attitude next? Comment down below. Roll to 10K.
Right,
You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.
All of it.
Boom!